What's up, guys, and welcome to Random Destroy Time. I'm going to destroy this red Easter egg and this standard egg it's still cold. Okay, this is for the red one. This is for the standard one. Okay, I will put it in so you will know that I actually put it in. See, it's in there. The cold one goes here. This is a little weaker. See? Okay. Okay, guys, we are now in the open. Let's drop the eggs. This one is the red. Drop test. Nothing splattered, nothing came out. This is the yellow. This is the standard one. Okay, let's go down. Magic. Double magic. Here are the eggs. Egg number 1. Just cracked. Egg number 2. It's sweaty. Okay, let's see how much fluid came out. Nothing, this is just dry as hell. Okay, press. 3, 2, 1. Bruh. What the hell is with this thing? It's just on the camera it's orange, but IRL it looks a little bit green. It's like a it's like a melon. The yellow kind, I don't know what that's called. Okay, this goes back in. Egg number 2, yes, this is still the standard one. We didn't switch him. Let's try to not. Yay, it's empty. Yes, and there's the orange part. Oh. Well, that's bad. Yeah. Okay. Throwing it into the... Let's just teleport to the trash cans. Magic. Yeah. It sounds weird. Ow. Okay. TP number 2. Magic. Okay. This has no fluids. That was sus. TP number 2. Guys, I dropped it. And stepped on it. Accidentally. Bruh. Disgusting. The texture is, it's like some kind of rubber bowl. Yeah. Okay, it's like a rubber bowl with a shelly. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Let's push it in. With no self-esteem, I don't know what the frick that means, so let's push it in. Ow. Bro, this thing is so thick. Ayo. Okay, guys, let's go back. And if you want to know what the chingling is, it's my keys. Oh, and guys, I will throw this egg alone with nothing to protect it. I'm just kidding. Okay, TP mode. 3, 2, 1. TP completed. Okay, 3. Oh, and you can still see the orange stain down there. Can you see it? It looks like a dry leaf. 3 and the 2 and the 1. It's at the stone. The rock broke it. Okay, guys, this is... Wait, no, let's go down. Guys, I still don't have socks on because I'm lazy. Yes, I did not cut out anything with this thing except teleporting to the balcony of the 3rd floor, but everything else was unthingamabobbed, uncut. It should be here. Guys, can you see it anywhere? I cannot find it. Wait, is this the right one? No. Wrong one, sorry guys. Oh, I thought that was the sauce. Like the one that is here. I stepped on it. Yes. What the hell is this? This came out of the freaking egg? No. Okay. Let's scavenge this. Escape pod. Disgusting. For any survivors. Bruh. Oh my god, bro. This looks so nasty. I have an idea how to hide the evidence of a crashed escape pod. Just get the biggest thing where everything can fit inside. Except the sauce. I cannot pick up the sauce. And get rid of the evidence. Like it was never there. This does not count. Okay. Run in montage. No, this is not. Slow down. Okay, go, 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 go. Nah. Just skip this thing. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Bye.